तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं ऐसे वाहियात लोगों के इंटरव्यूज जिनको आप भी देखकर कहेंगे
कौन है ये लोग, कहां से आते हैं ये?
Hi, so tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज?
Myself, Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad.
What?
But if you will ask me what is my passion, I will say hardware.
जिनको ये जोक नहीं समझा ना, जाके पोगो देखो तुम लोग. हाँ.
But this is for the first time I am doing on Spiky.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Okay, now, go on.
Sir, I am from Jharsuguda. I studied 10th Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir. Graduate Cambridge Institute, Ranchi. Not from England, note it. And I am putting my screwdriver everywhere and seeing what is happening. I am a hidden scientist.
Are you comedy me? Are you comedy me?
Okay, so what experience do you have?
Sir, I am working with BSNL telephone company. Whenever the line goes off, I ride the telephone khamba and make the line good. And during my spare time, I chat on girls on Facebook.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो?
And also I collect pan masala records. I have a huge collection, almost 2,000.
Tell me about yourself.
Myself, Ronojoy Guhatakurta.
Ronojoy Guhatakurta.
सुनो भाइयों, रट्टा मार लो. फाइनल ईयर तक याद हो जाएगा.
Actually, I am from Raurkela, but I am born in Baroda in my uncle's house, uncle's place. And now I am in Asansol.
ये बातें बताई नहीं जाती, नजर लग जाती है.
I enjoy speeches and music, and I am an accomplished dancer, you know.
Thanks to my scintillating body shape.
मोटा नहीं बेचारा. बहस है ये.
Actually, this is all thanks to my aggressive dancing. If you want, I can stand up and show my full profile.
नहीं.
No need. So why did you apply for this position of Marine Superintendent?
Actually, I am a good swimmer, and I have a national award in champion in West Bengal in my school level.
चल झूठा.
You don't have to swim. You have to supervise a ship.
Supervising coming naturally to me. I have done many supervisor work, you know, and I have supervised 2 years in on jetty near Habda for 2.5 years, and supervising all kind of supervising, loading, unloading, lifting, shifting, all supervising happen under my nose. And I do supervising very skillfully and strictly. No ladies things or any other goods stolen during my traveling on me.
Sir, you really don't have the relevant experience.
Do you think working on the shift is very difficult? No, it is not, because I am a very intelligent person, you know, and getting me is very lucky for you.
पहली फुर्सत में निकल, कोई जरूरत नहीं हिंदुस्तान को तेरी, पहली फुर्सत में भोसड़ी के निकल, समझा?
I have done many supervisor work and I'm a very skilled person. And I think you should give a chance to me. If you give a chance to me, I will work very good.
Okay, thank you.
So tell me about yourself.
Good morning. Madam ji, I am Vijender Dullar from Panchkula, Haryana. We are land family Jimidar and all land gone now. Mother gone, father gone. I am looking for job. I am completing B from IGNO, civilian engineer ji. और मैडम जी my hobby watching homely movies and workouting in gym.
So why do you think you're suited for the position of site inspector?
Madam ji, I am old construction. Construction come nature to me.
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
Negotiation, selling, buying land, I can do very well. And Madam ji, I have deep knowledge, Madam ji, deep. And if you keep Vijender with you, you are finished, Madam ji.
So what do you think are your strengths?
Madam ji, there is one saying in Haryana, देशा में देश हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना. मैडम जी, तो मैडम जी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई लिफ्ट अप ऑल द वेट इन जिम. मैडम जी,
I meant to ask about your professional qualities.
मैडम जी, आई एम प्रोफेशनल.
शक्ल देखिए अपनी.
But construction is for man. As you can see, no one can mess with me and take me right away. And I don't let them get away. Women cannot do that.
अब अगर तुम लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो यार लाइक मारो, क्योंकि मारो यार, क्या जाएगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मार दो है. अब अगर तुम लोग उन खूबसूरत प्राणी में से एक हो जिसने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो यार सब्सक्राइब करो. वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर विमल थूको या रजनीगंधा, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए. बाय.